In this video, I am going to show you a simple and easy pocket option strategy that you can start to use right after watching this video to make lots of profitable trades in your upcoming days. So watch this video very carefully. Today, what I did was firstly I switched to my demo account and I tested this strategy in the by following this strategy also and the opposite of strategy also. Okay, I did both of the thing, and what I got in my demo account is opposite of the strategy was working very well and giving a high win rate. That's why I decided to make some trades on real account by following that same approach of opposite of the indications that these indicators are giving. And I am also going to make I'm going to make few trades and show you exactly what I mean. But firstly, let me explain this strategy. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to make all of these currency pair favorite that have 92% payout. Just make it yellow and it will appear at here. After you have done that, then select the candlestick time frame M1. That means each of these candles are forming in 1 minute time frame. Now next thing you need to do is if it is flag at here, make it clock and select the time frame M1. That means your trading time frame is also 1 minute. And you can decide the amount that you want to invest in one trade. Once you do this much, then you need to implement these two indicators, and you can use the default setting of these both indicator. Okay, one is parabolic SAR, you can click on it, and another is alligator. So both indicator is applied in this chart. Now I'll explain you this strategy, and before explaining this strategy, if you want to copy my trades automatically in your account by using the social trading feature of Pocket Option, then you can join my free Telegram channel and read the instructions there on how you can join my VIP copy trading channel to copy my trades. So the description link for my free Telegram channel will be in the description of this YouTube video. So now let's talk about the strategy. So let's take this chart as an example, or let me find another chart. Okay, just for an example, so here you can see candle is at here and alligator is showing upward. Okay, and here you can see parabolic is also showing that market is going to go up. At this top movement, you need to make trade by clicking on lower. This is one example. I'll show another also. So here also you can see all these alligators are facing upward. Parabolic have also started to form, and whenever market tried to reach this up, at that time you can make trade by clicking on lower. So let's see another example also. Okay, here is also another example. Alligators are facing upward. Parabolic is also going in up direction, and whenever you see the top, whenever this candle reaches to the top, you can make trade by clicking on lower. So now what I will do is I'll find the best markets to make trade and show you exactly how much win rate we can achieve. So now I'll keep quiet and show you the exact video where I'm going to trade. And please don't forget to like this video. Let's get started.